So I'm going to Japan for a couple of weeks, so I thought I'd show you all the essential tech, camera gear, and gaming gadgets that are gonna come with me in my backpack. Now I know what you're thinking, David, you're gonna leave us for 2 weeks. Never fear. I got you, fam. I got you. I'm gonna be uploading every single day and going live every single day on Instagram. I'm gonna be uploading to my Instagram story every single day, and it's not gonna be some Instagram stories of a bunch of random clips. No, fam, I got you, I got you. I'm gonna make it good for you, okay? Just the finest, most essential insights to Japan. And at the end of each day, my plan is to go live for a few minutes, so you can ask me questions or I can go into more detail about something that happened that day that I experienced for the first time. This is my first trip to Japan. I'm hyped. It's my dream, man. It's my dream. So if you are at all interested in Japan or want to come with me on this adventure, my first trip to Japan, be sure to follow me there and enable notifications to be there for the live shows. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be great. Look, I would do it in YouTube if YouTube had YouTube stories or something, okay? Right now, it just wouldn't fit my channel, okay? Follow me on Instagram, okay? Anyway, first things first, I got my backpack here. You've seen this backpack before. I made a previous what's in my backpack video. Check out that video for more information about this backpack. So first things first, the first thing that goes into my backpack, of course, is my laptop. This item right here, it's all about productivity. Now, I don't foresee to be using my laptop that much, but I need my laptop to feel confident that if anything happens, work-wise or whatever, I can handle it. I'll have my main working tool there ready to go. Now, the thing that kind of sucks about bringing a laptop is not so much the laptop itself. The laptop is light and thin. It's this thing right here, this bulky, enormous power cable. It just takes so much space that I don't have, man. I'm trying to bring all this other stuff. So what am I gonna do with this? I'm gonna be putting this in my luggage. The big bag with all my clothes and everything else. The laptop has great battery, so I don't think I will be needing this for my 14-hour flight. So this goes in my luggage. Now, if the laptop is about productivity, then what about entertainment? How does someone who can't sleep on planes survive a 14-hour flight? In my experience, it's all about embracing the fact that you can't sleep. Lucky you if you can sleep in planes. Oh, I am so jealous. How you're able to just close your eyes and just skip to the good part. The stuff of dreams right there. Not all of us are so lucky. So my plan, what I've discovered through experience, you need to find a way to entertain yourself for 14 hours. I have 2 great pillars that shall sustain me for 14 hours. One, my Nintendo Switch, beautiful thing, and my iPad, which at the moment is downloading Season 2 of The Office. Season 1 is already there along with a bunch of movies. Now, of course, I was tempted to bring my Game Vice. I was tempted to bring my Nintendo 3DS, but we are trying to keep it as light as possible. If it's not essential, we don't bring it. We're trying to pack a bunch of other things. We're trying to keep it light. We're gonna be there for 2 weeks carrying that backpack, so we want to be able to move freely and not just be burdened with a bunch of weight. So these 2 are more than enough. The Nintendo Switch with a game like The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, you can sink so many hours into that game. And the iPad, of course, you can watch movies, you can watch series, you can read books or listen to books. Now, you might be thinking, David, I don't have Amazon Prime Video. I can't download all these classic series and movies into my iPad. I got you covered, fam. I told you, I got you. I got you. 30-day free trial, link in the description. Try out 2-day shipping Prime Video for free for 30 days and support the channel at the same time. But David, you say, I already have Amazon Prime. I'm already downloaded all these amazing series into my iPad. Okay, but do you have HBO? Huh? Because with Amazon channels, you can have HBO. Link in the description. But you're saying, David, my eyes are tired. I can't watch all this awesomeness anymore. I need to close my eyes for a little bit. I got you, fam. I got you. Try some Audible for free. For free. I got you. Close your eyes and listen to some Super Intelligence by Nick Bostrom to learn everything you need to know about artificial intelligence and the potential dangers in my posts. This is one of the most important topics of our time. not 100 years from now, probably more like 20 years from now. The world is gonna be changed by AI. Or maybe try some Harry Potter. You know how many times I've read those books? They never get old. Listen to them again. You need them in your life, trust me. How about something a little bit more serious but just as adventurous? His Dark Materials by Philip Pullman. Oh, you've already read His Dark Materials? Guess what? Philip Pullman has come out with a brand new trilogy in the same world, The Book of Dust. And if you haven't read His Dark Materials, those books like changed my life. You need to get on that, bro. Get a free trial to support the channel. Get the gold membership right away to support the channel even more. Links in the description. Please help keep the lights on. Anyway, in it goes the iPad. Next goes the Nintendo Switch, but before I put it in, I need my Nintendo Switch specific headphones, because of course the Nintendo Switch doesn't support wireless headphones, which is absolutely insane. Nintendo, what the hell? Nintendo Switch headphones ready to go, and on top of this I'm just gonna throw my regular wireless headphones. This will often also be in the inside of one of my pockets, but for now we're gonna put them in this little compartment. What the hell was that? Probably another episode finishing downloaded. Amazon Prime, link in the description. You know what else I'm gonna put in here? My overkill, aka my second iPhone. Might it be an overkill? Perhaps. But its light doesn't take too much space, and this way if anything happens, you know, I'm going with my dad, my mom, my sister. That way we all have cell phones no matter what. Okay, so apparently the batteries on my microphone were running out as I was recording this video. Semi-regular audio back in a minute and a half. So in it goes. Some documents I might want to review in the flight. We'll put that in the main compartment. Can't forget my passport. We'll go safely inside this inner compartment and we close it up. Now the big question. I have the iPhone 10, I have the Moment lens. I'm of course taking my iPhone, and the Moment case has replaced my leather case. I'll probably take this on my pocket, and I can probably put this as well in one of my pockets. And I can even put this Manfrotto tripod in one of my pockets. There you go. I have a tripod in my pocket, and even if I don't have it in my pocket, I can just put it right here. So I'm definitely taking this combo. Look how fast it is just to set up. Might be a little too loose here. I got the Osmo 2 by DJI. Full unboxing and review coming soon, but I haven't finished testing it. The trip has come too soon. So hey, what better place to test it out than Japan? Taking the Osmo 2 right here. And this will also go right here. Oh, and can't forget the counterweight for the Moment lens. Cell phone combined with Moment lens, a little too heavy for the Osmo, so made a little counterweight. Just gonna go right here. But the question is, will I also take my Canon 70D, which I'm using right now to record? I kind of wish I could leave it behind. It's so heavy and bulky, but it has the better image quality, so I am taking the Canon 70D. I changed my mind. I won't be taking the 70D. When contemplating the camera, the tripod, the microphone, the extra batteries, the extra lens, and how I might balance all that with my iPhone setup, I only have two hands. I came to the realization my life would be made so much easier by leaving the DSLR behind. 2 weeks might be a bit too much to be carrying that weight around all over Japan. It might have been different if I had a smaller mirrorless camera, but for now, my iPhone setup will get a baptism of fire. Now, Japan has the same outlet connections than North America. Some people say you can get away with using your normal device outlets, but the voltage might be a little different, so it might be a good idea to get a voltage converter. Whether I'm in UK, Europe, or North America, I plug in the devices here and use the different outlets to connect. So that will go in the upper bag. I will also be taking my GoPro with the suction cup and a simple clamp, which I lost. I don't know if you remember my starter GoPro kit video or even my what's in my backpack video. I showed you that I have usually a clamp here so I can put on the GoPro here and have some cool body footage. But I've lost it, so I've ordered another one from Amazon. Hopefully it'll be here very soon. This one will go right here. That one looks very well secure right there. It won't fall out easily, but it will be readily available. I will also be needing a hard drive, a place to store all the footage I will be taking. That one will go to the bottom of the bag right here. Some black tape to hide the red lights from my cameras so they don't draw too much attention. Moment lens, of course, will go right at the top. And finally, I need a way to charge all these different gadgets. Got my Anchor battery right here. Great battery, very portable, lots of use. This is its little pouch. And here, we are also gonna store USB to USB-C for the Nintendo Switch. I have two things that I use only for the Nintendo Switch. This USB to USB-C and the wired headphones. I will also need USB to mini USB to charge the Osmo 2 gimbal. So there we go. We're gonna put it right there. I need a lighting cable for my phones and iPad. We'll take the little brick too. And finally, my Apple Watch wireless charger. We'll take a second little brick as well, just in case. And there it is. Oh, it barely fits. And there you go, my backpack is ready. Gimbal, battery, little tripod, hard drive in the main compartment, Nintendo Switch, iPhone, iPad, couple of headphones in the inner compartment, and in the inner compartment, my laptop and some documentation, and a whole bunch of things here. GoPro in the outside pocket, leave one free just in case I want to buy a water bottle. And there we have it. This is the backpack I will be carrying for 2 weeks in Japan. The backpack itself remains pretty small, but I gotta say it's not super light. Those are the sacrifices we must make to get the best possible footage. And I'll try to get the best possible footage for you. Remember to follow me on Instagram. I'll be uploading to my story every day. I will be trying to go live every day. You like my hat, by the way? I need a haircut, so if you enjoyed this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. But either way, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Here we have it, the Game Vice Minecraft Bundle Edition. If you want to turn your iOS device into a Nintendo Switch, this is the way to go.